Hey everyone, welcome back to Fingerprinting Gurus. Today we're diving into the exciting topic, the power of ink card fingerprinting for your business. Whether you're just starting out, looking to enhance your existing services, we've got some tips and tricks to help you make the most of ink card fingerprinting. Let's get started. Well, ladies and gentlemen, let's talk about why ink fingerprinting is valuable for your business. Ink card fingerprinting is a trusted and widely accepted method for various purposes, such as background checks, licensing, and certification. Offering this service can attract a broader range of clients and set you apart from your competitors. To get started, invest in high quality equipment. This includes ink pad, fingerprinting cards, and sturdy flat surfaces for capturing clear prints. Using reliable and professional grade material ensure your clients receive accurate and acceptable fingerprint cards. Next, you want to focus on mastering the technique. Practicing makes perfect, so take the time to learn how to roll fingerprints correctly. Ensure that the prints are clear and complete, covering all necessary areas of the fingers. This attention to detail will help prevent rejection and build your reputation for quality work. Communication key. Make sure you explain the process to your clients before starting. This helps them feel comfortable and understand what to expect. Provide clear instructions on how to prepare, such as washing your hands, avoid lotion before the appointment. This preparation can lead to better print quality. Next, offer convenience and flexibility. Consider providing mobile ink card fingerprinting services where you travel to your client's location. This added convenience can be a significant selling point, especially for busy professionals or organizations needing multiple employees fingerprinted. Don't forget to follow up after completing the service. Check in with your clients to ensure they are satisfied and ask for feedback. This not only shows that you care about their experience, but also provide valuable insight to improve your services. So basically, in conclusion, ladies and gentlemen, by investing in quality equipment, mastering your technique, communication, offering convenience, following up with clients, you can unlock the full potential ink card fingerprinting for your business. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more business tips and insights. Until next time, growing and thriving in your fingerprinting business. See you in the next video.